We're just near the city centre by the Taff River, and we've just come to feed the seagulls. There's some pigeons, swans, some geese. Zara, are you coming down? Zara, are you coming down? There's Tanya and there's Zara. You come down? So they've gone now because we haven't been giving them any food for a few minutes. So I've got a bag. So there's the bag. So we've got about 4 bags of food like this. So I'm gonna start chucking the breads to the swans and the seagulls, and you'll see they're gonna fly back. Well, that's what happens when you come to feed the pigeons, the seagulls, is they do a poo. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, I have to clean it. I have to clean it. Give me your finger. Let's see your finger. Okay, it's bird poo. Let me get some wipes.